any moment now Rhea Chakrabarti could be coming out. But interestingly, 11 o'clock was the time that was being said that by which she could be reaching the NCB headquarters. But clearly, till now, she has not come out of her house. Her vehicle has not moved an inch. But other than that, the Mumbai police team seems to be in action both inside and outside. As I was mentioning, that around 5 lady police officials are inside. We do not know what is happening inside. We have not seen the lawyers, her team of lawyers as well. Whether she is going to be accompanied by the team of lawyers or Satish Mane Shinde, we do not know whether they are going to join her midway. We do not know whether they will already be present at the Narcotics Control Bureau. That information has not come in. Neither has Rhea's lawyer shared anything on this front. Last that we heard from Rhea Chakrabarti's house was the statement, emotional statement that was given by her father Indrajit Chakrabarti. But again, our eyes remain focused on the developments and the happenings here in the Santa Cruz area of Mumbai, where Rhea Chakrabarti stays in this very building. We are at the back gate. My camera person Samir Shanbag is showing you live visuals for the last 2 hours. When is Rhea Chakrabarti going to leave her place? This remains the big question at this point of time. Mumbai police in a absolutely ready mode. Officials inside her house, officials inside her building, officials outside her house. 5 to 6 vehicles of the Mumbai police. A big Mumbai police van as well. Narcotics Control Bureau officials present just in the vicinity. I am tracking their vehicle. That is just 200 meters from this very place, which give credence to the statement that if Rhea Chakrabarti does not abide by the summons, then the NCB have other options. And that would clearly mean Mumbai police taking action, because Mumbai police clearly says that if and when they get any orders for help, if help is sought by the NCB, then they will fully cooperate with the other agencies as well. So we do not know whether such a scenario is going to develop and whether the NCB officials along with the Mumbai police officials are going to get inside their house as well. But that would be very unfortunate, because all along Rhea Chakrabarti's lawyers have been maintaining that she is a law-abiding citizen. She has been cooperating with the Enforcement Directorate, with the Central Bureau of Investigation, with the Mumbai police as well, whenever she was called for her statements. And now that summons have been issued, she will abide by the rules as well. But the ground situation is she has not moved out of her house. Her vehicle in which she travels generally has not moved an inch. What is indeed happening is Mumbai police is in an action mode. They are inside her house and they are outside her house. We are keeping a close eye on all the developments.
Akshata. Going by what you're telling us, Pankaj, and all the activity there, it seems that any minute now Rhea could be making her way to the NCB office. Remember, the NCB officials had told her to reach by 11. Seems like she's slightly delayed, but has full intentions of cooperating with the agencies. They're cooperating with the probe and will be appearing before the NCB officials shortly. We're also giving you details of what we're picking up with regards to Rhea's probe with her interrogation by the NCB. And we have to highlight here that sources have told us that the Narcotics Bureau is fully prepared to arrest her if the need arises. And this will be based solely on the kind of answers that Rhea Chakrabarti is given. Shortly, we're also going to be putting out details, and we've accessed 17 questions that the NCB is going to be putting forth to Rhea Chakrabarti. And we'll be putting out those 17 questions for you in just a bit. For the moment, our focus is on what's happening at Rhea's house. Any moment now, and you can see the kind of activity there, the number of police officials present there. It's increased in the last half an hour alone, with 2 to 3 teams also being deployed, additional teams being deployed outside the residence. They've cleared the area close to the gate from where we're expecting that Rhea will be making her way out. What we're hearing is that Rhea is going to be accompanied also by her lawyers to the NCB office. Those visuals on your screens is of the vehicle in which Rhea is expected to travel. Maushami Singh is standing by there also. We've got our reporters getting you all the latest updates. That car is the one that Rhea will be using to travel. Let's cut across to
दिखाएंगे और ये देखिए आज तक पे सबसे पहले आपने देखा है ड्राइवर रिया चक्रवर्ती की गाड़ी में बैठ गया है। रिया चक्रवर्ती एनसीबी की हिदायत को सुनते हुए जा रही है एनसीबी के दफ्तर। और यहाँ पे आप देखिए, सुबह से हमने हरकत नहीं देखी थी। गाड़ी में लगा हुआ है फिल्म, गाड़ी में लगा हुआ है अखबार। बैक हो रही है रिया चक्रवर्ती की गाड़ी, महाराष्ट्र नंबर प्लेट की MH02 FE 1663। ये गाड़ी यूं घूमी और सोसाइटी से पहले पुलिस की गाड़ी निकली और अब रिया चक्रवर्ती की गाड़ी निकल के यहाँ पे रुक गई है। रिया चक्रवर्ती जी अभी मौजूद नहीं है नवजोत, किसी भी वक्त रिया चक्रवर्ती आ सकती हैं। और आपको हम दिखा रहे हैं कि ये गाड़ी रुकी है यहाँ पे। रिया की पहली झलक आप देखेंगे आज तक के स्क्रीन पर। दीवार पे चढ़े हैं, सीढ़ियों से चढ़े हैं और एक पैर पे हम लोग ये तस्वीर दिखा रहे हैं। आज तक के संवाददाता जमीन से आपको रिया चक्रवर्ती की पहली झलक, एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीरें जी। किसी भी वक्त रिया चक्रवर्ती जीरों से उतर के इस गाड़ी में बैठने जा रही है। और ये देखिए गाड़ी रुक गई है, उनका ड्राइवर जो है वो आ गया है और जल्दी बहुत, ये देखिए रिया चक्रवर्ती बैठती हुई, उनके साथ एक पुलिसकर्मी भी मौजूद है। और पहली तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं, रिया चक्रवर्ती बाएं हाथ पे बैठी है गाड़ी के, जहाँ पे स्क्रीन लगा है। पुलिसकर्मी ने कुछ कहा, पुलिस अधिकारी ड्राइवर को बता रहे हैं हाँ आप जा सकते हैं, शायद डायरेक्शन दे रहे होंगे क्या रास्ता लेना है। रिया चक्रवर्ती की पहली तस्वीर है, वो गाड़ी जाते हुए, रिया जो है लेफ्ट साइड पे गाड़ी के बैठे और यहाँ पे आप देखिए निकलते हुए। और ये है जी
Okay, these are live visuals that we're getting you at this point. Riya Chakrabarti, we just showed you briefly entering her vehicle, trying to make her way out now. So she's going to be heading to the NCB office now. Slight delay there, but Riya Chakrabarti, we showed you those visuals of her entering her car. The driver took it out, took it near her apartment. She entered the vehicle. They've in fact closed up all the windows so that the media doesn't get access to her pictures as she makes her way out of the main gate. A lot of police presence also trying to clear up the presence there of media to ensure that the car can drive through and make its way to the NCB office. She is going to be escorted by the Mumbai police for security reasons. You see the cars there getting ready. We got you visuals also from the back gate, which is where you could see Riya entering her car and making her way now towards the front gate from where she'll exit. We're expecting it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes for her to reach the NCB office. The first visuals on India Today of Riya Chakrabarti entering her vehicle, entering her car there quietly as the vehicle makes its way now towards the front gate. Efforts are on by the Mumbai police to clear out that area, ensure that everyone moves to the side so her vehicle can go in. And those on your screens are the visuals, very brief, of Riya Chakrabarti with the Mumbai police making her way to her car. This is from the entry or the exit port of her apartment. You see two police officials with her, one ahead, one behind her. She's making her way into her vehicle. She's now sitting in her car and she's going to be heading to the NCB office anytime now for a formal interrogation. I just quickly also want to read out the statement that's been put out by her lawyer, Satish Manishinde. A clear intent there where he said, Riya Chakrabarti is ready for arrest. As this is a witch hunt and if loving someone is a crime, she will face the consequences of her love. Being innocent, she's not approached any court for anticipatory bail in all the cases foisted by the Bihar police now with the CBI, the ED and the NCB. This is the statement by Manish Shinde. Now you see those visuals. Riya Chakrabarti making her way out there, windows completely covered. She is heading to the NCB office. The statement from her lawyer is that she's ready to face arrest. There's going to be no appeal for anticipatory bail. These are the visuals there on your screens of Riya Chakrabarti's vehicle making its way out to the NCB office. In 20 minutes from now, she will be at the NCB office. Let's cut across to Arvind Oja.
इसी कोनों में रिया चक्रवर्ती जा रही है। ये जो गाड़ी आप देख पा रहे हैं, इसी गाड़ी में रिया चक्रवर्ती है। आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा, ये जो गाड़ी है आगे की तरफ पर्स रखा हुआ है और इसी में रिया चक्रवर्ती आगे की तरफ बैठी हुई है और तमाम जो पुलिस की गाड़ियां हैं वो एस्कॉर्ट कर रही है। आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा ये एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीरें जो रिया चक्रवर्ती बैठी हुई है और मुंबई पुलिस पूरी तरह से एस्कॉर्ट कर रही है। आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा ये जो ब्लैक कलर की गाड़ी है जिसको एनसीबी ने इसकी जांच की थी। आगर की तरफ
चलते हुए लाल बत्ती पे रुकी थी और उसके बाद वो एनसीबी के दफ्तर निकल गई हैं। नवजोत।
Moshmi and Arvind are reporting for us from the ground. They got us those visuals. We are now tracking Ria's vehicle to the NCB office. That's what's on your screens there. Ria Chakrabarti on her way to the NCB office. As I mentioned earlier, 15 to 20 minutes. She will be there. She will be formally interrogated then. But you can see that Ria Chakrabarti was seated in the back seat of her car. She's being driven now to the NCB office. I again want to highlight what her advocate has said. Remember, what we heard from our NCB sources is that she could be taken into custody if she doesn't give satisfactory answers, particularly with regards to WhatsApp chats that she shared with others on drugs, on consuming and buying drugs. She's going to be questioned on that. If her answers are not satisfactory, she could be arrested. So there is a strong likelihood of that happening. Her advocate, Satish Manishinde, has said Ria Chakrabarti is ready for arrest because this is a witch hunt, and I'm reading out a statement, because this is a witch hunt, and if loving someone is a crime, she will face the consequences of her love. Being innocent, she's not approached any court for anticipatory bail in all the cases. So that is the statement from Ria's lawyer. Ria is ready for arrest. She is saying very categorically, I have not committed any crime. My only crime is loving someone. Taking this across to Arvind Ojha, he's tracking Ria's car. So Arvind Ojha right now is tracking Ria's car. You can see, in fact, a few vehicles ahead is where Ria's vehicle is. She is going to be reaching the NCB office. Two senior NCB officials, Samir Wankere, who personally handed over that summon to Ria early this morning, KPS Malhotra. They've been tracking this case very closely. They've been part of the investigations from Friday when her brother Shovik was questioned and thereafter arrested. They're going to be questioning Ria. We understand that all preparations have been taken in the likelihood that Ria is arrested. So the NCB has maintained that she could be taken into custody if she doesn't answer all their questions. On the left of your screens, this is from a few minutes earlier when Ria Chakrabarti in a pink kurta made her way to her vehicle, and then now she's on her way. Arvind Ojha getting us a live report.
मुंबई की 3 से 4 गाड़ियां एक्सकॉर्ट कर रही हैं और बकायदा बीच में गाड़ी रुकी थी जिसको बकायदा ब्रीफ भी किया जो वहां के सीनियर ऑफिशियल है। तो एक पूरी रणनीति है, क्योंकि मैं आपको बताऊं नवजोत कि जब रिया चक्रवर्ती से सीबीआई ने पूछताछ की थी उस दौरान रिया चक्रवर्ती ने बकायदा अपने ऊपर जान का खतरा बताया था, जिसके बाद जो सीबीआई की टीम है उसने लोकल पुलिस को लिखा था। एनसीबी की टीम ने भी लोकल पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म किया था जब सम्मन भेजा गया था उसके पहले, और कहा था कि अगर ये हमारे साथ नहीं आती हैं तो इनकी गाड़ी को सुरक्षा दी जाए। तो देखिए ये तस्वीरें हैं, एक एक करके बकायदा जो आगे की गाड़ी है जिसमें रिया चक्रवर्ती बैठी है वो उस गाड़ी को बकायदा एस्कॉर्ट किया जा रहा। ब्लैक कलर की वो गाड़ी, वो आप देख पा रहे होंगे तस्वीरों में, कैमरामैन संजय आपको दिखा रहे होंगे। मैं आपको बता दूं 19 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है जो रिया चक्रवर्ती है जिस सोसाइटी में रहती है वहां से 19 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है। तकरीबन 1.5 घंटे लगेंगे नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के दफ्तर पहुंचने में। अगर बात की जाए तो ब्लैक कलर की गाड़ी जिसकी एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीरें हमने आपको दिखाई थी, ब्लैक कलर का उसमें शीशा लगा हुआ है ताकि जो बाहर से कोई तस्वीर अंदर न दिखाई दे सके, उस गाड़ी में रिया चक्रवर्ती बैठी है। जबकि जो 3 गाड़ियां हैं मुंबई पुलिस की वो एक्सकॉर्ट कर रही हैं। आगे एक गाड़ी है, पीछे एक गाड़ी है, साइड में एक गाड़ी है। तो ये पूरी रणनीति है, क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है एक महिला है और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बकायदा ये बताया था कि जान का खतरा है। और इन सब के बीच में आपको बताऊं कि एक रणनीति के तहत, जैसा लगातार आज तक सुबह से ही बता रहा था कि रिया चक्रवर्ती नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के दफ्तर पहुंचने से पहले अपने वकीलों से मंत्रणा कर रही है, वकीलों से एक रणनीति तैयार कर रही है। और जैसे ही वो निकली है, ये देखिए आज तक की खबर पर कैसे मोहर लगती है, रिया चक्रवर्ती इज रेडी फॉर अरेस्ट एज दिस इज विच हंट एंड इफ लविंग समवन इज अ क्राइम शी विल फेस द कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ हर लव। यानी बकायदा जैसे ही रिया चक्रवर्ती निकली है, सामने की तरफ आप देख पा रहे हैं ये जो तस्वीरें हैं जिसमें गाड़ी बैठी है और बकायदा जो मुंबई पुलिस है वो एक्सकॉर्ट कर रही है। जो ब्लैक कलर की गाड़ी आप देख पा रही होंगे इसी में बैठी है और बकायदा जब निकली है तो रणनीति के तहत अपने वकील से मैसेज भिजवाया है कि रिया चक्रवर्ती मैं गिरफ्तारी के लिए तैयार हूं, जो कुछ भी मेरे खिलाफ चलाया जा रहा है, किसी को प्यार करना कोई जुर्म नहीं है। तो इस तरीके के जो मैसेज है वो भावनात्मक मैसेज, चूंकि अब शिकंजा कस चुका है पूरी तरीके से, तमाम जो ड्रग्स कनेक्शन है उसका पर्दाफाश हो चुका है और इस वजह से बाकायदा ये उसमें वकील ने मैसेज भी दिया है, बाकायदा दिया है कि सी हैज नॉट अप्रोच एनी कोर्ट फॉर एंटी सिटपरी बेल इन ऑल द केसेस फॉलिस्ड बाय बिहार पुलिस नाउ विद सीबीआई, ईडी एंड एनसीबी.
Arvind Oja also getting us details of the statement that I just read out also of Rhea Chakrabarty's lawyer, and this is just about a minute before she made her way out of her apartment to head to the NCB office. Those visuals on your screens on the left are live visuals where we're tracking Rhea's car as she heads to the NCB office. On the right of your screens is from a few minutes earlier when Rhea, dressed in a pink kurta, made her way out of her apartment accompanied by the Mumbai police, escorted by them essentially. She made her way to her vehicle and then headed out to the NCB office. Let me read out again what her advocate has said, and this is very interesting, putting into context what in fact NCB sources have told us, that she will be arrested if she doesn't give satisfactory answers, and you've got her advocate saying that Rhea Chakrabarty is ready for arrest because this is a witch hunt. Pankaj Upadhyay is going to be joining us in just a bit. All our reporters on the ground getting you all the details that you need to know on this story. Pankaj is in fact tracking Rhea's car as she heads to the NCB office. Few minutes from now, her official interrogation will begin by the NCB officials. You've got the top officials of the Narcotics Control Bureau present there for the interrogation. One is, of course, KPS Malhotra, the other being Samir Wankade. Samir Wankade had early this morning personally gone to Rhea's house to hand over that summon. It was expected that she would appear before the NCB, considering she's made it very, very clear in her interview to us that she is going to cooperate with the agencies in their investigation. She is going to be confronted essentially with the WhatsApp chats in which Rhea was seen discussing drugs, discussing the consumption and the procurement of drugs. So that is something she's going to be confronted with, as also with the statements being made by several others in custody.
बाकायदा इसमें रिया चक्रवर्ती बैठी है. रिया बात करना चाहेंगे. रिया ये देखिए पूरी तरह से पैक्ड है और किसी को बात करने की इजाजत नहीं है. जबकि दूसरी तरफ अगर ये देखें तो ये मुंबई पुलिस की गाड़ी है. ये ब्लैक कलर की गाड़ी है जिसमें रिया चक्रवर्ती बैठी है. शिकंजा पूरी तरह से कस चुका है. गिरफ्तारी किसी भी वक्त हो सकती है. पूछताछ का सामना करने के लिए रिया चक्रवर्ती यहाँ पर जा रही है. तो ये यहाँ पर गाड़ी रुकी हुई है. अब कॉन्वॉय है और ये कॉन्वॉय देखिए मुंबई पुलिस की गाड़ी, ये दो गाड़ी, ये पूरा कॉन्वॉय है जिस कॉन्वॉय को फॉलो किया जा रहा है इस तरीके से. संजय उतरने के लिए
Arvind Oja getting us those live reports. You can see that Rhea is seated in the back seat of her car. The entire windows really have been covered so that nobody gets access to Rhea. She's not speaking even when the media confronts her on the way to the NCB office. Pankaj Upadhyay is with us, tracking closely Rhea's movement. Any moment now, Pankaj, she will appear before the NCB and will be interrogated.
That's right, Akshita. Right now, her vehicle has reached the suburban area of Bandra. And from now, from here on, it should not take more than 20 to 25 minutes for her to be reaching the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters. Of course, the Mumbai police team is also ensuring that there is no law and order issue, and that is the reason why there was heavy police deployment outside and inside her house. And as you rightly pointed out, that the Narcotics Control Bureau is in a state of total preparedness. The questionnaires which are going to be given out in front of Rhea Chakrabarty are almost ready. We have already apprised the viewers that Shouvik Chakrabarty and Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant have already given out their statements in which they have said that Rhea Chakrabarty had an active involvement and that they procured the drugs at her behest as well. So today, after her initial rounds of questioning is done by the NCB, there is every chance that there is going to be a cross-questioning as well, so that the NCB can try and find out whether any contradictions are coming out in the statements of these various people. Along with that, Zayed and Basit, who are also in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau, they will also be grilled again in front of Riya Chakrabarti to see whether some more information can be accessed at this point of time. Already, the NCB officials have told India Today TV that they are in the possession of the laptop of Shravik Chakrabarti and have also found out some old diaries after they conducted search at Shravik Chakrabarti's place, after which he was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. We do not know as to what the diaries and the contents of the laptop really are, but the NCB officials, if the NCB officials are to be believed, then the agency has managed to find out some important names and also the proceeds of the sale of the narcotics as well.
Yes.
The NCB officials are also saying that they have all the details of the financial transactions that have taken place. They have the details of the various WhatsApp chat groups that were found by Riya Chakrabarti and the staff members, and based on these evidences along with the statements of the stakeholders, a questionnaire has been readied for Riya Chakrabarti. It's going to be difficult for Riya Chakrabarti to evade any questions, but if she does, then perhaps that will become a clear-cut ground for her arrest as well.
You know what we also have to highlight here, and this is something I've been mentioning, we're just going to put out that news break quickly, of what Riya Chakrabarti's lawyer has said minutes before she appears.
नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की आप उन्होंने
Okay, so a lot of activity there. Divyesh, can you hear me? Has she reached?
Produced before the... No, Akshita, this is Dipesh Sawant, who was taken for a medical checkup and will be produced shortly in a court. Remember, Dipesh Sawant was arrested last evening, and before being produced in court, a mandatory medical checkup is done. His medical checkup was done. A COVID test was also done at a hospital close to South Mumbai, and after which he's been brought back to the NCB office. And shortly, the NCB team will be producing him in a holiday court today, where NCB officials have told us they'll be seeking his custody. Also, Riya Chakrabarti might reach here in some time. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes for her to reach over here, and after which her grilling will start. She'll be quizzed by the Narcotics Control Bureau probe team that has been formed to probe this particular case. Remember, Narcotics Control Bureau has maintained that it is not in their mandate to investigate cases of small quantity. Remember, only 56 grams of marijuana has been shown as recovered quantity from the two drug peddlers, and that is being probed by the Narcotics Control Bureau, but pointing out at a bigger network, at a bigger nexus. Narcotics Control Bureau, despite not in their mandate, is investigating this case.
So, Dipesh telling us that in about 15 minutes, Riya will reach there. What we just saw was Dipesh Sawant. So, who really is he? He is the house help of Sushant Singh Rajput, who has in fact spoken and given a statement to the NCB where he's named Riya Chakrabarti. His statement is something that's crucial really in the interrogation of Riya. He's just been brought back to the NCB office, and that will lead to a lot of speculation of whether NCB officials really plan on questioning Riya and confronting her with Dipesh Sawant as well as with others, including her own brother Shravik. On your screens right now are the visuals of Riya Chakrabarti making her way to the NCB office. About 15 minutes from now, we're expecting that she will reach. Important for me to highlight here, minutes before she stepped out of her car, a statement came out from her lawyer on what Riya Chakrabarti has to say at a time when NCB sources have said that they've not ruled out her arrest. Here's what she said, and I'm just going to pull out that statement here. They've in fact said that she is ready for arrest. Riya Chakrabarti has said, I am ready for arrest as this is a witch hunt, and if loving someone is a crime, then I will face the consequences of my love. She's followed that up by saying, being innocent, I have not approached any court for anticipatory bail in all the cases foisted by the Bihar police, now with CBI, ED and NCB. I'm taking this across to a report by Moshmi Singh.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.